Once upon a time, a young monk and his master were on one of their regular walks when they came across a pond. At the time, they were discussing the young monk's wish to make a bigger impact in life when suddenly the mentor bent down and picked up a small pebble. He threw it into the water and they both watched the ripples spread. Watching the pebble hit the lake and the ripple spread, the young monk said, "I want to do something that spreads influence like that to a lot of people. I want to make a difference in life, a big splash." The wise master responded with a smile and said, "You will need something bigger than that pebble if you really want to make a splash." So the monk looked around, picked up a rock and threw it into the pond. "Big enough for you?" he asked the master. The master said nothing and started to undress. The monk watched in confusion as the old man took off his sandals, shirt and stripped down to his underwear. What is the master doing now? He wondered to himself. The master backed up a bit from the pond, ran towards it and launched himself into the water, making an enormous splash. "What are you doing, master?" asked the young monk. The master calmly explained, "You want to make a splash in life? You have got to throw yourself wholly into your work. There is no room for compromise." In life, giving your all at work is essential if you want to make a real impact. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to influence people with your work. You need to be persistent, creative, and willing to put in the extra effort to make a lasting impression. Keep in mind that the more effort you put in, the more likely it is that people will be influenced by your work. This is the Fulfill Mind Motivation Stories. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.